on that fuck shit. He killing you, he savage. I damage you. Make you put a plug. He's so damaged, bro. I damaged you. Make you put a plug. He's so damaged, bro. All black Hellcat. They like who that? Listen on the net. That's what got old boy wet.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. It is your boy, 1K, and as y'all can see, that's all.
Oh!
He ain't do shit, he pussy as fuck. I was finna go on that chase though. Through the hood, you know what I'm saying? Richmond got a no chase law. So we was finna see if he was finna get active. Yeah, man, riding through the hood right now. Hillside, you know how it go. I don't know why I always ride through the damn hood, bro. What the fuck down this way? Oh, Richmond down this way. That was a nice little ride through Hillside. No! Just the cop I ran from. This nigga probably on a mission. No, buddy. Wait for me, buddy. Get up on this car. You gonna pull me? You gonna pull me, gang? I said, I ain't need to do nothing to you, bro. I only did 20 over the speed limit. I'm finna get on the highway, y'all. Caught up in traffic, y'all know how we used to do back in the day, so let's do it. Oh yeah, we on the bridge right now. I think this Malibu behind me is, this Impala behind me is a cop, bro. Every time I speed, he speed. Should I be concerned? Nah, I'm chilling. Through the city right now with my high beams on. Can you see me? Can you see me? Put your, come on, little dude. Yeah, this car do not be popping, gang. This look like a one-way street, but surprisingly it's not. She got a Frenchie. Always be looking like, what the fuck y'all looking at? What they looking at? What you looking at, buddy? Hey, that nigga said, huh? Look at okay. Oh yeah, so this trying to play with me like I'm some old. It's crazy because she might have come up on the speed bumps. I'm gonna slow down with that bitch shit. I'm just trying to figure out where she going. Like, I like to go places too. Fuck you going, twin? The Nissan, bro. Like, it's always the Nissan, bro. It's always, I'm gonna go. It's always the Nissan. I had to do my little point. I have to get on the highway. You thought I bought an AMG GT63s just to let a Nissan Rogue pass me? Are you dumb? Let's make sure they know that this the S. At the stoplight though. This is the S, by the way. That is indeed the S. car don't pop for real, gang. They want to see some. They want to see the majority of the road, legend. All right. She won't try to let me over. Okay. All right. Get her. Hey! Let me over next time, bitch! Look at your car, bitch! Yeah, that's how y'all do it. She act like she can't let me over. Look at her power, bro. You are in the slow lane, bitch. Look at the fucking Volkswagen. Man, casually doing the speed limit. Don't think too much of it. Don't think too much on it. You motherfuckers like this, in the way. There's always a nigga that's gonna get in your way, regardless. No matter the circumstances, bro. Fuck, man. Oh my god, this shit finna blow. Speed up. Just speed up a little bit. Just a little bit, gang. Just a little bit, gang. Little BMW. You got a little Audi right there. Take it What can they do though?
He's out of his jurisdiction.
He's out of his jurisdiction. He's not in his jurisdiction. What can you do, buddy? Y'all had to blow up out, bro. I thought it was Chesterfield. Then I looked, that car got an H on it, bro. I'll fly past this bitch. I'll put it in there for this motherfucker. All right, y'all. So, man, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. No, I don't want to upset the odometer. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if y'all like the blowout valve or not, bro. Cause I'm right now, it's like I'm loving it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But I want this car to have some lit ass air intakes. Hold on. I want this car to have some tough ass air intakes, bro. No, this car, this car has some pretty big turbos, but I wonder why none of them sound like the BMW. But that BMW has a ridiculous turbo. Jesus Christ, bro. Man, but that being said, man, I love y'all boys. And I'll see y'all. What y'all doing? I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Keep going.